I'm getting ready to upcycle an outfit I got from the thrift store, so I want to do a before and after. This is a before. Real baggy Levi's. They're kind of too long, but that's okay. I'm gonna put some holes in them so I can wear fishnets underneath. And then I have this plain black tank top that I am going to cut up. Okay, here's how I kind of have things divided up. I don't want holes over this. I want to cut out both knees. I think like big holes in both knees. So these are where my knees are. I want to rough up the sides, like the outer sides of the pants. And then if I am brave enough, I might give one of the butt slits. I'm not sure yet though. I might be too scared. We'll see what happens. Okay, so for distressing denim, I cut a piece of cardboard that can like fit down in and protect the other layer, and I go to town on it with a steak knife. So yeah, just kind of imagine you're cutting the toughest steak in the world. Yeah, then you pretty much do that over everything that you want holes in. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do like big ass holes yet, but I figure if I don't like how this turns out, I can always go back and add more, but you know, you can't take away. So oh, and if you want it roughed up but not an actual hole, just kind of go over it like this and rough it up. Nah, I got a hole there, but that's fine. Just rough it up, and then when you put it through the wash, it's gonna be sick. If you want to fray it more on the edges, you can take the knife sideways and kind of go over the edges like that, and it makes it fray more. Okay, here's how they look before washing. I've got like a little bit of fraying on these. Down here we got a bunch of holes. Butt hole, I guess. And I frayed the pockets a little bit. Once these go into the wash, they're gonna be even crazier looking because washing and drying makes it fray more. And over time, they'll just keep fraying more and more. I will probably have to do the shirt in a part 2, but I'll come back and show you the jeans after they're washed. Okay, here is the finished product on the jeans. The shirt is in another part, and the full outfit reveal is in part 3, which they're all up. So you can check them out and see how this outfit turned out. Okay, here's part 2 to upcycling my outfit. This is gonna be the shirt. When I'm cutting a shirt, I like to mark it with a chalk pen about where I want it to fall so I don't cut it up too high by accident. So I'm thinking like right above my belly button. So I'm just gonna put mark there so that I can cut it. Then I just fold it in half so I can cut on the line. Any crappy pair of scissors will do. If you accidentally cut it kind of wonky, it's fine because it adds to the grunginess, in my opinion. Okay, now goodbye to that piece, and nice cropped tank top, perfect. Okay, when cutting the slit in the holes, I like to have it on so I can make sure that it's all in the right place. Just be careful when cutting it because you don't want to hurt yourself, but once you get it started, you can kind of rip it to wherever you want. I just realized it was sideways for half the video. I am so very sorry about that, but there's nothing I can do now. I can't put the fabric back on. When adding the holes, I just use a little seam ripper, and I try to look for areas like this or down here or whatever so I can wear it without a bra and nothing pokes through. I mean, usually I wear it with a bra, but just in case. Okay, shirt is done. I will do the full outfit reveal in another video. Okay, this is part 3 to my upcycling an entirely thrifted outfit. The first part was the pants, the second part was the shirt, and now I'm going to show all together and styled. If you forget what they originally looked like, here it is. This is a before. Real baggy Levi's. They're kind of too long. Okay, here's the finished product. We got fishnets underneath the jeans. Give it a little peekaboo, makes it look kind of cool. I got a belt chain. Holy shirt. I think it looks better with the bra on underneath. And then we got some chunky Chelsea boots. And I think it turned out really cute. It went from something I probably wouldn't wear very often to something I will probably wear all the time. And they're really comfortable. I would like to get another pair and maybe take the whole knees out, but I really like how these knees turned out, so I think I'm gonna leave them instead of ripping the entire knee out. All right, that's it. No sew, full outfit transformation.